Struggling to find Apple Pay settings in Odoo? Follow this exact 9-click path to activate it in under 2 minutes. We'll start at your Odoo homepage, then move through Accounting, Configuration, and Payment Methods to reach the Apple Pay toggle. All right, first things first, navigate to the Odoo homepage from your browser, and you'll land on the main dashboard where all your apps are listed. Then, go ahead and click on the Accounting app to open the Accounting module, which is where all your payment settings will live. Now, once you're inside the Accounting module, click on Configuration, located in the top bar, to access the various setup options. From that drop-down menu, click on Payment Methods to open the list of payment options that are currently configured for your store. In the Payment Methods screen, find and click on Card to view the card-related payment method details.
Then, within that section, look for Apple Pay and click directly on it so you can see its configuration options.
Next, on the Apple Pay screen, click that small checkbox to activate the payment method. That's the key step.
Now that you've activated it, click on the Save button to apply the Apple Pay settings within this form.
Then, to finalize, click on the Save button at the top left corner of the page to make sure everything is saved and locked in. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.